You said earlier, Jeff, it's tough here. You watch a guy like Luka Doncic play the way he played, and his season's over.
Just, it's so brutally hard to try to win a playoff series, particularly in the Western Conference. These 4-5 matchups are incredible, and they're difficult and challenging. And the Clippers could easily win the whole thing. I mean, they're that good.
That's got to be the mentality.
Well, they're keeping their championship hopes alive. They were severely tested, to say the least, here in this first round. And as you see again, the respect.